two beds, and here for my boy. And this is their welcome snacks. What is this? Leaf pie. It's a leaf pie. Okay. Oh, there's a small door here. What is this? Let's open it. Oh, extra bed and pillow. There's an extra bed here.
Bed?
Oh, what is it? Bed foam, right?
Yeah.
And pillow. Ah, their glasses are here. Huh? Towel? Ah, for onsen.
If you go into spa, we have to use the towel from here. Like towel.
Okay. Cannot open. Anyway, what is this? It's tea and coffee. Here. Okay. And the refrigerator is over there. Interesting. There. Oh, they have water. There's water. Yeah? What's that? Yeah, I know. Okay. Let's see. Ah, okay. So this is the toilet. And that's the entrance and the small mirror here. Okay. And then bath, I think. Oh. Okay. Ta-da! So this is their bath room. Lots of towels here, and I think this small one is for the face towel or hand towel, and dryer is over here. Okay. And toothbrush, hairbrush, razor, and body sponge. Whenever we go to hotel, I always keep this one because they're very soft, just like the hotel that we stayed before. I brought some of these and I'm still using until now because it's so soft on the skin. I don't know, this one, maybe if it's the same one that I got before from the JR Inn hotel, if it's same, for sure I'm gonna bring this one and I'm gonna use it at home. And what is this? It's cotton set. The thing I'm really looking forward about going to hotel is that their soap. the smell and the I think the smell of their hand soap and face soap. So here you can use it both hand and for the face soap. It's orange rose botanical extract orange oil fragrance, but I don't really smell the orange. No, anyway, later. So yeah, so this is how it looks like, and this is the bathroom. Okay, cute bathroom. And then this is also I'm excited about. It's same orange rose shampoo here. You can't smell anything. So this is their shampoo, same botanical extracts, orange rose, and conditioner. I like their packaging. Whenever I go to hotel, it really excites me about their shampoos and their bottles, especially, and the smell, of course, is the baby soap. Okay, it's cute. So this is Asahikawa City. We're staying at the for like a few days. Chilling. How's our room?
Good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? And look, my son put his shoes really in front of the entrance door. I don't know why. Yeah, I like it. It's a good room. I wanted to show you the outside, but it's okay. So yeah, this is the view from our window. So that's Asahikawa City. Oh, that's a hippo. So that's it, you guys. That's our hotel room tour here in Asahikawa City. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys on our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better